Hello friends, welcome to your Field Biologs YouTube channel. There are plants that survive in harsh conditions. Those that survive on rocks are known as lithophytes. They have their own adaptation. Some plants are aquatic and some of these live in flowing water and they are known as rheophytes. Do you think that there are some plants which are both lithophytic and rheophytic? Can they withstand, for instance, the force of a waterfall? To our surprise, there are many. For example, Hemisorghum venustum, a grass, is one such a species. It is seen on vertical faces of rocks. In addition, they have to withstand the force of falling water when waterfall is in full speed. The root system is strong to anchor them. Stem, which is also known as culm, is also strong but very flexible. Even with so much of water, plant doesn't break and doesn't decay. What else? They absorb nutrients from this water and debris, including their own. As we can imagine, photosynthesis goes on. With so much of water around, when does it flower? It happens when the flow gets reduced to trickles. This is important as grasses are pollinated by wind. Where do you see this grass? At global level, it is restricted only to Sri Lanka and to peninsular India. It is considered very rare, maybe because no one is in a position to go and collect this grass in such conditions. Probably considering its association with water and also equating water with wealth, Dr. Veldkamp, a botanist from Netherlands, put this species under a new genus called Lakshmiya, named after the goddess of wealth. Are you interested in nature? When you visit waterfall next time, look for such hidden treasures. Friends, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, watch other videos of the channel and recommend to others. Thank you.